Let's lock in.
We don't give no fucks, we in that mode. Whipping a Bugatti, locking before we home. We the Kimbillionaires, hyenas, never paid nobody. Rolling with the energy, little hyenas, ain't racing nobody. Yeah, we don't give no fucks, we in that mode. Whipping a Bugatti, locking before we home. We the Kimbillionaires, hyenas, never paid nobody. Rolling with the energy, little hyenas, ain't racing nobody. Who got math like this? PSG Lions, lock in, get nasty. How you take your trades each day? You know we math and Fibonacci. We don't play no games with Mario's, no Nintendo, no Atari. Don't be late to the show, never drop no oops, I'm sorry. I don't care if they ain't happy with us, little hyenas. Go sip some coffee. Kimba gang on the net, iCarly. Let us up on the set by Marley. Y'all cubs can't be tone deaf. Tell me how I sound somebody. This new drop hit like the Hardys. Ladies love our swag like we on a Harley. We in that mode, never switching up on the click. Turn haters to cartoons. Teach a man that an Eddie, little bitch. These charts dance so much, we should call him Charlie. Make a bias so damn strong. Got the team sipping biscotti. Might flip right out and get gnarly. The team tryna party. Kimba gang, Kimba gang, Kimba gang. Kimba gang, Kimba gang. Kimba gang, Kimba gang, Kimba gang. We don't get no fucks, we in that mode. Whipping a Bugatti, lock in before we home. We the Kimbillionaires, hyenas, never paid nobody. Rolling with the energy, little hyenas, ain't raising nobody. We don't get no fucks, we in that mode. Whipping a Bugatti, lock in before we home. We the Kimbillionaires, hyenas, never paid nobody. Rolling with the energy, Kimba gang, ain't raising nobody.
What up, guys? What up, Kimba gang? The rebooted Kimbillionaire game show. It's my pleasure to be your new host, Cyper, the ones who don't know me. And I'm very happy to be here with the OG Cage and Juiciest himself. We had some new people coming in to the game show in the submissions, so since we haven't played in a long time, I think it's fair to quickly run down how we play this game. As you guys know, we have 15 questions that you guys need to answer correctly, hopefully, and each questions will increase in difficulty. And in case you are feeling a bit unsure, you have tools to your arsenal to use either the 50-50 questions, or you have a chance to take another vote, but you need to be very careful with that because you don't have that many choices to bail you out. And as you guys know, participating in the game can be done by chatting on Twitch chat. Whether you vote with A, B, or C, you will get points, and with the points, today you guys have a chance to go all the way up to the prize letter. And within the prize letter, we have a very juicy, a very, very precious prizes for you guys. Since all the way to the top is not other but the Coinwise subscriptions that you guys can go and grab tonight. So I think if it's
3 Coinwise education plans as rewards for tonight. Yes, sir. Make sure you guys are signed up on coinwise.com.
And don't forget to fill out all your UIDs in the dashboard, exclamation mark dashboard as well. And if you guys are ready for the questions and everybody's warmed up, then we should start with the first question, which is not other than What is the underlying technology of most cryptocurrencies? Is it cloud computing, B as in blockchain, C, could it be the virtual reality itself, or D, the good old artificial intelligence? Don't forget, you have a couple of seconds to make sure your vote is right. So you should absolutely get in there. We have still time. Whether you band together with your alliance or you make your choice on your own, you gotta own it. You gotta own it and show it. Votes are coming in. And you guys decided B. Let's see if B is the right answer. And that easily, B indeed was the right answer with the blockchain, and we have a huge, amazing, big shout out to the PSG gang in the PSG going through these questions. Hopefully you guys will make it to the top. Congratulations to each and every one of you. Let's go to the next one. Which term is used to describe the creation of a new Bitcoin? Any Bitcoin maxes in the chat? Right, so A is forging, B is minting, or C is mining, be careful, or D is staking. Votes are coming in nicely.
A good one. Let's go, chat.
You guys got this. Couple of seconds left. And if you guys are sure that the right answer is C, then let's see if you guys made the homework right or not. But I believe in a very prestigious crypto channel. I think this should be very easy, because the right answer is indeed C. So congratulations. With this, now each and every one of you, whenever you guys join the PSG, you guys have one unmute coupon. Whenever you are like, wanna talk again. Let's go to the next question himself, which is not other than, what is a gas fee primarily used for on the Ethereum network? Now we talked about Bitcoin, now we're going to the altcoins. The questions are, the possible options is A, purchasing physical goods, or B, paying for the developer's salary, C, compensating miners and validators for processing those transaction fees that each and every one of you would spend on NFTs, but we all know that the right NFTs are within Solana with the KIMBA gang NFTs, and if you haven't grabbed one yours, then you should definitely do. Or D, storing data off chain. Let me see those votes coming in. Couple of seconds left. And you guys choose C, which indeed was, yet again, the right answer. So far so good, so far so good. I would say let's go to the next question. Which is a decentralized application known as the app runs on a peer-to-peer network. In other words, these DApps, what type of contracts they are running on. The possible options are A, a legal contract, B, a trust contract, or C, is the smart contract, or D, is it just a digital contract? Yet again, it's a very crypto-oriented question. Shouldn't be that hard for the Lions. Let me see those votes coming in. Somebody voted for A. I'm not sure about that. But hey, we are not judging here, that's for sure. You guys, you do. Couple of seconds left. And Lions, you have chosen C, which is a smart contract. Was it a smart choice to pick C? There's one way to find out, and the only way to find out is yes. Indeed, it was C. Congratulations, we are going up, we are going up. Now you guys are in for a 1 stop loss in profit already within the game show, so each and every one of you is going home not empty-handed. But let's go for the next question, which is, which crypto asset category is designed to maintain a stable value typically pegged to a fiat currency? It's very easy. I think as traders we all do know the answer. Is it A, utility tokens, B, governance tokens, DeFi people love that, C, is it stable coins, or D, it could be your favorite meme coin, just like Dogecoin? Make sure to make your choice right. If you are fast enough, you get points for that as well. If you're absolutely sure that you know the answer, then you shouldn't be shy. Let's see the last questions soon. If you guys clear this one out, which seems like it was C, which is stable coins, and congratulations, it was C indeed. We can look at the current top 5 leaderboard for the current game, see how you guys are doing. And in the leaderboard, my pleasure to call all the 10 people, or at least 5 for sure. In the first place is Curvis with 82 points. That's quite big. The second one is a PSG OG, not other than Inky with 68 points. Right behind her, it's not other than Damon himself, another a PSG OG. I think it's clear to say that if you haven't joined our Discord community and if you haven't been in PSG yet, then you are definitely missing out, that's for sure. So exclamation Discord and be part of the community even more. And in the fourth place is Sanon with 63 points, and in fifth place is Alex with just a shy behind 58 points. So you guys know where you are right now, and we are still not halfway done with the show, so let's go to the next question, which is getting harder and harder. So let's see. What is the primary significance of the RTH session price range when we are looking at cryptocurrencies such as BTC or ETH? The possible options are not other than A. The RTH volume is legally the only volume that counts towards the daily VWAP calculations. Or is it B? It represents the price activity when the US financial institutions are most active. Or C? RTH prices are used exclusively for the final cash settlement. Or is it D? The RTH period is the only time large block trades are permitted. Make sure to make your choices. If you are not sure, we can always use a lifeline. Whether it's the 50-50, we can cut the possible options in half. Or you guys have another shot to take another vote. But seems like each and every one of you is very, very confident. I also have a good feeling about this one, that you guys will get this. And the audience choose B. So let's see if the right choice was B. And to be honest, it was the right one, so I'm not even surprised that Lions, you guys are clearing this one out. We are marching forward to the next question, which is not other than the good old market profile. What does a poor high or poor low structure typically indicate? I'm pretty sure Lions above like the 4th month would definitely nerd it out on the TPO. If not yet, then you probably missed some of the Professor Mendelo nerd outs for sure. But the possible options is A, a price level with an excessive volume suggesting strong conviction. Is it B, the high or the low of the session occurred during the overnight trading hours? Or is it C, a high or low with only 1 or 0 single TPO, suggesting that an incomplete trade has been made, usually said unfinished action?
Let's go, KIMBA dev team. Got $5 in.
Thank you.
Dev team said, shout out to the revived Kimbillionaire show! !dashboard. Check the stream schedule and make sure to get your UIDs updated. Kirby's quit playing with them. Let's go.
Yeah. And make sure that is, since we are rebooted, you guys have a chance to play a lot more than before. But it seems like you guys have made your choice. Is it C? Let's see if you guys getting away with this one as well. And to be honest, congratulations, because you guys are. I'm just speechless how smart you guys are, and you truly showed that even after a long break of the Kimba Gang show, you guys are still got it, you guys still have within you. And right on to the next question, it won't be that easy anymore. So make sure that you are not slacking.
Starter kit. Go.
When comparing the execution of large buy orders, why certain institutional traders prefer to buy the volume average price, also known as the VWAP. Kimba uses VWAP a lot. We've been nerding out on for years, and some of us, whether it's starting out in the VWAP journey or using it on your daily, on your trading sessions, now is your chance to shine. To lock into the right answers, of course. Is it A, to ensure the order is executed as fast as possible, regardless of the price? That's a pretty remarkable thing if you ask me. Or is it B, to generate a higher trade commissions for the broker? But not really if you're using the exchanges and you signed up in the dashboard and you filled out your fields. And C, to demonstrate a cost-effective execution, buying below the VWAP. Or is it D, it's just only relevant for selling and not buying, because some people have paper hands and they are never buying the dip, but they're always selling, and then they still crying about it on Twitter. Looks like none of you are voting for D, so it's good. You guys are not paper handers. You guys know what's up, because you guys choose C. And it's my pleasure to show you the right answer is indeed C. Congratulations once again. Now we are going one ladder up.
Oh.
Which is not other than security. In the context of blockchain security, what does the 51% attack refer to? Let's see if you guys know more than just trading and charts. The options are A, a bug in the 51% of all smart contracts. Or is it B, controlling 51% of the total circulating supply of a coin? C, a single entity controlling more than half of the network's mining or staking power? Or is it D, a price drop of 51% in a single day? It can happen, to be honest, because we're in the crypto. Over the years within Kimba Gang, whenever I was just a viewer and enjoying Kimba's teachings and just nerding out on crypto itself, I've seen pretty crazy swings. I'm not sure about you guys, if you've seen Cage or Juiciest. But pretty sure I am.
They got debated on board, Cyper. Let's go. I think we got him.
Yeah, so the audience choosing B. Let me show you the right answer, to be honest. In 3, 2, 1. Guys, come on. It wasn't the right answer. What we will do now? You guys go with the 50-50? Or
You guys can vote for a lifeline.
or a lifeline? Take another vote, it seems like.
Ask him out. Ask me. Tell him to ask me.
Or ask Housty. I'm not sure. You guys have a couple of seconds, to be honest. It seems like
one,
it was...
2, or 3 in the chat.
Yeah. Take another vote. Yeah.
Oh, their vote's active. Now you guys can vote again.
Yeah.
You guys got 1 minute.
You guys have 1 minute. Make sure you guys do vote. Make this count. There are no second chances.
Cyper.
Couple of seconds left.
What was the question again?
Shout out Mandalo.
It was
Go,
blockchain
Mandalo.
security. Audience is choosing C for the second time. Let's hopefully it was the right one. I'm gonna reveal the answer. And good job! You guys saved yourself from doom. Now we can going forward, but before that I'm gonna shout out the current leaderboard winner, who is not against them. Oh, it's changed, guys, it's changed. It's Al Boris himself with 150 points. Right behind is Alex and Pipo. Good, good, good. Good luck to you guys. Now that we are saved ourselves, let's make sure
right
to
page.
continue to the next question. Which is not other than... Ooh.
What? What? What looking at? What happened? It's the longest question ever.
Yeah. Kachoya! You know, guys, I'm gonna give you guys some time with this one, to be honest. I'm gonna just sip on some
Holy
iced tea,
question.
to be honest, and then you guys have fun to read. Have fun. Since you guys already lost one life, make sure this counts, okay? Make sure to read it truly.
What is this question?
Okay, let's see the possible options. Maybe it's easier to find the solution. If you guys get this one, then you guys are truly deserving the final prize for sure. It's related to CME. We usually talk about CME. B and C, right next to each other, right next to each other. Let's see. Very close, guys. There's only one right answer, to be honest. And if you guys see the current prize in the ladder, by answering this one and getting this one right, you guys have the smart contract diploma. So each and every one of you will graduate from Liquinia, which is an amazing feeling. Looks like you guys choose B. Guys. Is it B? Are you guys sure? Let's see.
I don't know. I can't see the question.
Unfortunately, it wasn't C. We still have some lifelines, to be honest. I think it's better to ask somebody from the mods. Like, you guys have Cage, you guys have Houston.
Yeah, ask us, guys.
Like, these OGs know what's
Ask
up.
me,
you
I
know?
won't steer you guys wrong.
I think you need 50-50 to be honest. I didn't even know the question.
Yeah, it was ask a mod. So
What was the question?
the question was, let me read it again. The question
Here,
is,
let me pick the answer. You ready? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger by his toe. Hold on.
so, see. But the question itself, it was related to CME Bitcoin and its times. But just for once, I'm gonna repeat the question since I'm saying it. So, in market profile analysis of future markets, the initial balance is typically defined as the price range established during the first two time price opportunity, also known as TPO, periods for the CME Bitcoin futures contract, which trades almost 24/7 as we know. The IB is usually calculated based on the first hour of the traditional regular trading hours, also known as RTH. What time in Coordinated Universal Time, also known as UTC, defines the start of the RTH session of the CME BTC futures? I'm not sure which one of you guys will get this one.
Man, can you guys send me that in an email or
So,
something?
what time? Right.
Yeah.
What's 1 hour after RTH open? So if open is 9:30, Kirby, if it's 9:30 a.m., what's 1 hour after that, but in UTC?
Yeah. So now we gathered our thoughts a little bit.
D.
We can vote for our lifeline again. Either you guys go 50-50 and give it a shot, or
I don't even know.
Make sure to ask one of the fellow mods.
Is it popping up?
No.
Not working?
Not working. It's for the mod.
Okay.
Take it 10.
Do the 50-50.
Yeah.
Don't even try it then. Just do the 50-50 for everyone.
Let's go to 50-50. We're using the 50-50.
Can manually do it.
Yeah.
Boom.
Did ask him mod get what one? If it's ask him mod, I'll give you guys the answer. You guys ready?
It was a 50-50. So
the answer is Qatar.
ooh. Now we're making our time with this one for sure, but it seems like you guys are deciding on C. Don't let Buzzo try to trick you into answering wrong. Couple of seconds left. 3, 2, 1. And now the final choice. Seems like it's C. I'm gonna reveal the answer. Are you guys ready? Is it C? Uh-oh. Kachoya! It was C. It got a bit tricky.
Thank God.
Thank God, yeah, indeed.
That's your last
I do it all. I do it the whole time.
To be honest, that top prize never comes easy, guys, so pat yourself in the back. We got this, and we're going forward for the Certified Lion badge. Not every lion got that, so make sure we're marching forward. Whew. Let's see. It's a much shorter question. In market profile analysis, what do fingerprints usually represents within a profile structure? The possible options are A. A news day in which only one set of numbers is released. It's the good old G. Powell. Or B. A strong era of acceptance where price consolidated for a long time. Or is it C. A gap between TPOs showing one-sided auctioning, often signaling a momentum or emotional buying or selling. But I think it's safe to say, as we Lions, we are never relying on the emotions, we're relying on data. Am I right, Cage? Am I right, Husty? The data, and the levels are the levels. So I have faith in you guys.
Yeah.
I have faith in you guys on this one. Couple of seconds left. And Lions. Are we juicing forward with C? Are you guys sure? Because the right answer was...
I think we're juiced.
Right answer was indeed C, guys. Congratulations. Confetti on the screen. Confetti on the screen.
Oh.
For the right reasons. We're marching forward with the following question. That is...
That's the coin-wise.
So that's the
single
coin-wise.
print videos that just came out.
Yeah. You guys have a chance to learn a lot more. Not in this PSG, but in CoinMice itself. If you guys haven't tried it out, haven't made an account, then maybe after this game, you guys are gonna just nerd out even more. Even the EU Lions who are like doing this at night, and for me it's like midnight. I'm still doing this, so I'm gonna nerd out after this one for sure. For the next question, when a single print zone is revisited in later sessions, what does that most often indicate? I'm sorry, as I said, it's pretty late. Is it A, the trend is continuing with an even stronger conviction? Because conviction is all we need with everything in life. You should always follow your heart, you should always follow the data, and everything will fall into place. As KIMBA said, as you guys gather knowledge, the money will follow. Or is it B, the previous imbalance has been repaired, suggesting a potential slowdown or reversal? Is it C, a false breakout and a new imbalance forming above? I'm sure Mandela knows that one. Or an area of major volume accumulation forming. The timer is going, so make sure to lock in those answers. Seems like majority of people are leaning on one side of the coin, which is not other than B, with 28 votes. And with that said, I'm gonna reveal the correct answer. And it's an easy kachoy bubuya because it was B indeed. Now all of you guys have 5 buy the dip opportunity when it ever comes to market. Make sure to follow the data and never be afraid to execute. If you guys plan ahead, I'm sure that you guys will nail those trades for sure. And if you are always unsure of how to trade correctly, how to use the indicators, make sure to sign up to CoinWise. The next question is coming up. A self-beta market maker, and in KCEX, a trip is included everywhere in Europe or America. We all know that we are like international, so it could be even Lithuania itself. But before we can trip and enjoy our profits, we gotta answer this question, which is the 80% rule or the 80% setup. In market profile suggests that if price enters the previous day value area and remains there for how long, there is an 80% chance it will traverse the entire value area. For how long and what's the chance for it? The possible options are the following. Is it A, 15 minutes? Seems fast. Or B, 1 TPO period, which is 30 minutes. Or C, is it 2 consecutive 30 minutes periods, which is 1 hour. Or D, until the next RTH open. As you guys know, whenever we're waiting for confirmation in trades, Kimba has a famous word saying, make sure to wait how much candle closes above cage. Or anyone who knows the question? I mean the answer to the question.
But you asked me?
Yeah, I
don't
asked
give
you,
out
I
the
asked
answer
you.
of your answer again. I'm cheating. That's cheating. That's a cheater.
I'm so close to the top, I don't want my Lions to lose, you know? But it seems like they are voting for C. They don't need any help from others because they are pretty sure in themselves and they are proud to
I
be
don't think
Lions.
they can use this one. They don't need the help.
And yeah, congratulations, it was C. It was 2 consecutive 30-minute periods, also known as 1 hour. Which means that a selfie with the market maker will be included. You guys can
Lions
choose
are
your
nerded on.
favorite market maker for sure, but let's go to the next question. Ooh, it's a TA one. Let's see. In technical analysis, a trend line connecting a higher low in price is
Freddie wants
used
to see
to
the leaderboard.
identify which of the following. Possible options are A. A resistance zone in a downtrend. B. The upper boundary of consolidation. C. The support line in an uptrend. Or D. A horizontal balance area. You guys have a couple of seconds to lock in those answers. Don't forget we're so
Let's
close
see
to
the
the top.
leaderboard after this round for the last question.
Mhm. Couple of seconds left. Looks like this is a solid choice for all of you. It's a lot of C today because, as you guys know, I'm Cyper.
Shout
But-
out Cyper.
It seems like it's C indeed. So the right answer was indeed C. How surprising, how surprising, am I right? But, whew, are you guys ready? Are you guys ready for the last question to grab those coin-wise prizes? I know you guys are ready. You guys got through this so far.
Who's on the top of the leaderboard right now?
Ooh, that's a good question before we go forward. In the leaderboard is not other than Sanon with 232 points.
Ooh,
That's quite big, that's quite
Beetle
big.
line.
Al Boris is still in the second place with 200, above 200 points. And Pipe just a couple of points behind Boris. It's quite narrow on the top. I'm gonna shout out the other guys, the top 10 that got here so
Got
far.
Marco Zoro and Matty P there. They're
Yeah.
pretty close.
They're pretty close. In 4th place is Lucio. 5th place is Madep. 6th is Extra Actox, for sure. Oh, I see a familiar name. Familiar name is a PSG guy himself. Maybe Band-Aid on top 7. Shout out to PSG. Shout out to Discord. Exclamation mark
Okay.
Discord itself. In 8th place is Curvis. It's still on the top leaderboard. And 9 is Raptor. And 10 is Alex. Congratulations, congratulations. You guys are killing it. Now, we know who is in top place, but for the next question, is not other than the good old CVD. We had a phase where we nerded out a lot on open interests, and there was a phase when we nerded out on CVD. These are the things that you guys can learn within the community. And the question goes as, when analyzing CVD on futures or crypto charts, what does a rising CVD means while price remains flat, typically suggesting any from the possible options are A, aggressive buyers absorbing passive sell orders, possibly upward, making it a breakout ahead. Or is it B, sellers losing interest, market entering low liquidity phase, and everything is just boring? There's no adrenaline. You guys will need to go down to the 1-minute charts and feel some juicy juice. Or is it C, equal pressure from both sides with no clear directional bias, which is never good. A lion always knows where to hunt and how to hunt in the jungle. Or is it D, divergence that confirms the continuation to the downside? Because as we all know it can be up forever. Lock in those answers. Looks like the audience choosing D. It was pretty divided. And for the last question, before I reveal it, I just want to say that I'm proud of each and every one of you guys getting this far. Let's see. For the rebooted Kimbillionaire game show, which is my first game show ever, I have the pleasure to reveal the final answer for you guys to take it home. Are you guys ready to take it home? Because I'm ready to give it to you. Ooh, guys. It was not the right answer. So let's ask a mod. But it looks like it doesn't matter.
Oh, Kachoya!
Kachoya!
You get it right anyway.
Yeah, like this is the first game show, guys. You guys can't lose. This is the rebooted game show. It's just all love and everything. Shout out to our today's participants. You guys did amazing, for sure.
I think he spent.
Yeah, but to be honest, shout out to Xenon with 234 points, getting 16 questions correct at first place. So shout out Zanulion. And the second place is Al Boris with 205 points, also with 16 correct votes. And the third place is Pipe with just a shy 200 points. So everybody on the top 3 was above 200 points. That's an amazing accomplishment. Each and every one of you won a Coinwise subscription.
The top 3 correct?
Top 3 correct, yeah. Sanon and Alboris and Pipe.
Sweet, we have Xenon Lion, El Boris, and Pipeline winning a Education Pro plan for Coinwise. Guys, make sure you guys are signed up on coinwise.com. Make sure that your TradingView username is in your profile. Make sure you're signed up on the KIMBA TV dashboard as well. All your UIDs for all the referrals and exchanges are in your profile as well. Guys, check out the Discord, exclamation point Discord. All the announcements for the game show will always be there. Can we give it up for Cyper today? Show Cyper some love.
Thank you very much. Thank you for bearing with me in my first game show.
Brother.
Thank you guys.
That was juice.
That was juice indeed. Thank you guys for participating. Thank you guys for actively voting. It was a very eventful first game show for sure. And check out the dashboard for the stream schedule. This won't be the last. That's all I'm gonna say. Shout out Damon.
There will be more. There's another game show on Wednesday, ladies and gentlemen. We have a Nerd Out with Mandalo tomorrow and a talent show. Shout out Houston and Mandalo. Guys, make sure you're ready and prepared. Get in Discord, join up on PSG.
Yes,
Come
yes,
say hi to
yes.
Cyper. You might hang out in there probably.
For sure, for sure,
Hey,
for
big
sure.
cheers, Cyper.
Big cheers.
Thanks,
Thank you, Cage. Thank you, Housty, for being here with me. And with that being, guys,
Cheers, PSG.
see you guys in PSG. Take it easy. Follow your heart, and never forget whether you are bull, bear, we all lions. And that being said, see you guys later.
Let's lock in.
We don't give no fucks, we in that mode. Whipping a Bugatti locking before we home. We the Kimbillionaires, hyenas, never paid nobody. Rolling with the energy, little hyenas, ain't racing nobody. Yeah, we don't give no fucks, we in that mode. Whipping a Bugatti locking before we home. We the Kimbillionaires, hyenas, never paid nobody. Rolling with the energy, little hyenas, ain't racing nobody. Who got math like this? PSG lions locking, get nasty. How you take your trades each day? You know we met that Fibonacci. We don't play no games with Mario's, no Nintendo, no Atari. Don't be late to the show. Never drop no oops. I'm sorry. I don't care if they ain't happy with us. Little hyenas, go sip some coffee. Kimba gang on the net, iCarly. Let us up on the set by Marley. Y'all cubs can't be tone deaf. Tell me how I sound somebody. This new drop hit like the Hardys. Ladies love our swag like we on a Harley. We in that mode, never switching up on the click. Turn haters to cartoons. Teach a man that an Eddie, little bitch. These charts stand so much, we should call him Charlie. Make a bias so damn strong. Got the team sipping biscotti. Might flip right out and get gnarly. The team tryna party. Kimba gang, Kimba gang, Kimba gang. Kimba gang, Kimba gang. Kimba gang, Kimba gang, Kimba gang. We don't get no fucks, we in that mode. Whipping a Bugatti, locking before we home. We the Kimbillionaires, hyenas, never paid nobody. Rolling with the energy, little hyenas, ain't raising nobody. We don't get no fucks, we in that mode. Whipping a Bugatti, locking before we home. We the Kimbillionaires, hyenas, never paid nobody. Rolling with the energy, Kimba gang, ain't raising nobody.